Next airdrop we're going to do is Xfoc. When you do this one, make sure the referral name is this. I will make sure that's in the description box below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's a link down below with this form in it. First thing we're going to do is follow on their Twitter here. We're going to go to their Twitter account. We're going to click on follow. We're going to go back to the form here. I don't know what their partner thing's about. Okay, I guess they've got the ICO. So we're going to go follow here as well. Following on there. Open partner Telegram. We're going to open up this. We're going to join this channel. We're going to bring this down. We're going to go to here. And then we're going to go to CoinGecko. Or CoinGecko, I mean. And here, if you haven't signed in, you can sign in over here. There's a place that you can sign in and sign up on this if you haven't given them a star. We're already signed up for it, so we can give them a star on this. I don't know if we followed them on Telegram as well. Let's make sure we did here. I'm going to go there, join their channel. Good thing we did that real quick. We're going to go back to their airdrop form here. They want your email address next. So copy and paste your email address into there. Next, I want your Twitter username into here. Just copy and paste your Twitter username into here. Now it wants a retweet post. So you're going to go to your profile. We didn't retweet the post. They don't have a link for it. So let's go here. We've already followed. So we're going to like their post. We're going to retweet their pinned post right now. Click on retweet. Next, we're going to go to our profile. We're going to come down here. And for some reason, this is not retweeting. Maybe it just didn't retweet. We'll click on retweet one more time here. I don't know why this post is not retweeting. Try it one more time. No. So what we'll do is we'll just copy and paste their link right here. Copy their link up top. Maybe we can retweet here. We'll see what happens here. No, it doesn't want to retweet. See if we can retweet with a comment. New coin. Click on this. For some reason this post does not want to retweet. Cancel that. Discard. Do not know why this post is not showing up on our wall here. If this doesn't work for you, just go up to their post here. Click on their pinned post. Copy the link. Just go and paste that into there. Put your Telegram username in next. Just copy and paste that into there. Something might be going on with Twitter or something might be going on their website. So this retweet link, if it's working, it's working. If it's not, it's not. Just put that in. and we will add a file from, they want you to take a upload of a picture, then they want your Ethereum address. So we'll quickly take a picture of that coin Greco that we've done the star here. We will go to new snippet, snippet now. Took a quick snip of that. We can save this. So we save that. Then we can go here, we can add file. So you can go add the file that you've just saved. And just add it, click on here, and then upload. Upload the file, then I want your Ethereum wallet address next. Just copy your Ethereum wallet address in and paste that into here. Like I said, use this Telegram username for your referral. It'll be in the description box below. Submit your recording. And that's the end of this airdrop. We're off onto the next one. Subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of these coming up.